why are so many businesses here in Montana stuck on AI despite all of the hype and all of the promise? It's on everybody's radar, but there's a lot of confusion about where to start. You hear the buzz at conferences, you're seeing the headlines. Many of you are just worried that you're going to be left behind. And you don't want to waste money and effort on things that you're not confident in. So I think what everybody's really looking for is clarity to that big question of, does AI actually apply to my business? And the answer is yes. It's just going to take some education, some vision, some strategy, a deployment of tools, and really getting the leaders' capabilities around them. Many organizations, want to run as a team with AI, but your focus right now should really be crawling as a team with AI. Start to crawl, then walk, then run. First Call can help with workshops, tools, and the initial security to get your team crawling safely. Where should organizations realistically start with AI? Best place to start with AI is absolutely with your leadership team. If the leaders don't see value in the tools, it won't make it into the organization in any high impact way. Leaders need to understand and adopt generative AI in a way that accelerates them, their thinking, and their ability to manage, lead, and execute. Leaders must develop these capabilities, have confidence that the tools can impact their work before they have confidence that it can impact the work of others and the organization as a whole. Leaders need to see real outcomes from tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot. How many hours does it save you each week? How does it produce higher quality, less friction, greater consistency? Once the leaders understand how to accelerate improvements for themselves, they will begin to see how it can accelerate improvements for others. The biggest traps with AI we see right now is shadow AI. The leaders don't know who's using it, how they're using it, where their data is. The leaders have not set expectations and priorities for 2025 that are clear. Another trap is some are really swimming in the pool. Some are afraid of the pool. Some are dipping their toes in. It's just all over the place. And that's not going to work well for the organization. No clear tool strategy. People are using whatever they use personally. They're not seeing the full operational capabilities. They're feeding sensitive data into platforms without government. And all of this boils down to a lack of leadership, which is the number one trap. First Call can help close those traps with leadership, through vision, through workshops, and helping you get the right tools and controls in place to manage the risk. AI is a nice pool. It can be built and swam in safely and productively with a little bit of shared understanding, tools, and capabilities. If you're looking for perfection at this stage of the game, you're going to be disappointed. It's still early days, but AI success is a combination of the right tools, controls, capabilities, and definitely curiosity. Don't be aiming for perfection, just aim for progress. Get the right platforms, use them, try things, share what works. Our clients are learning by doing, learning from each other, learning from our workshops, and learning from the AI as they go. When these behaviors are in place, coupled with Teams-based versions of Microsoft Copilot, ChatGPT, or both, with controls in place, it's definitely safe and sustainable. So again, first off, AI is just a tool to help you accelerate making improvements in what you do and how you do it. And like anything else, you can measure improvements by individuals, by teams, by the organization as a whole, by big outcomes like customer satisfaction or employee satisfaction, revenue growth, profitability, or just that, basic, like, is this helping us better serve our mission, our purpose, our value, what's most important to us in an organization? It's not going to be big giant leaps or revolutions for the vast majority of us. It's here to stay, and it's going to help individuals and teams just make an infinite number of small improvements over time that will really transform outcomes for all involved. Success, like anything else, it's just a lot of little small things done well and done better consistently over time. AI can help leaders, managers, and staff accelerate these improvements. First Call can help you set the priorities, expectations, get the tools, controls, so that you begin your journey or continue it in the right direction.